Tired of missing appointments because Google Calendar won't text you? Activate SMS Reminders in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through installing the SMS Reminders add-on, from settings to granting permissions. Start by clicking the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of Google Calendar. Then, from the Settings menu, click on Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace search bar, type SMS Reminder and press Enter. From the results, click on SMS Reminders and Text Reminder for Google Calendar to select it. Now click the Install button. Once installation is complete, click Done to finish. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.